my condition, wasn't it?
It's not fair.
Ah, thank God.
Tissues, thanks for playing. Your presence was disturbing. Anyway, into the portal.
The what?
The rejection portal. In now.
But guys, my condition is really getting bad, guys.
Komo, tell us where all the planet eggs are hidden and we can save the galaxy. That's right. Good thing we have our brilliant translator with us. Huh? Well, thanks, Amy, but I feel like I put you all in danger today. That's silly. Plus, we're used to dangerous situations by now. Danger is our middle name. We all think a fair way to work this out is for Apple and Sour to spend the weekend camping at Very Beautiful Meadow. Alone. Together.
いいのよ、そんなこと。私はアリスと一緒にいるだけで幸せを感じられるんだから。
そこでアリス。マリサさんの素敵なプレゼントだ。
ちょっとマリサ？ありがとう。
Oh, that is so sweet. Totally sweet. You know what, Iris? I bet when you finally meet your mother, it'll be just like this. What should I play with first? A note that Deborah's definitely gonna want to read.